It's interesting because there are ways to use AI for medical review and things like that. But for clients, it's really important right now that it's part of our sales promise that we do have a full-time clinical staff of experts that do check it. So that's one of the reasons we're not looking at AI for that area. A lot of it has to do with what the trust is in the market and where the market is. Um, it's really exciting. I get really excited thinking about people in emergency situations having information in languages they can understand. That's an example. I just don't see a downside at all. We have really strict regulations around data. And so when we think about how we use AI, we have different metrics about which AI we're using and how. And if there's patient data or personal data, that would be a much stricter controls around how we're using it. We probably use an internal product that we don't build them ourselves. That doesn't make any sense to us. So we would partner with a big company like Google or Microsoft, but then we would have our own instance. So I think that's an option for financial institutions and other large institutions. We wouldn't just use ChatGPT like on the internet. But if it involves personal data, it's in a different category. We look at it differently. There's things you can do. There's software you can use to mask certain information so you can analyze and compile other data. So we look at a lot of that.